Hello all, welcome to my channel Food Swing. Today I'm going to share another beautiful recipe bread pakora. And it is the best recipe for the evening snack. Everyone enjoys it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Before getting into the process, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's make the batter. Take one big size onion finely chopped and few coriander leaves, and also add half spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half spoon of chili powder and half spoon of turmeric powder so that it gives a good texture to it. Add half spoon of garam masala and half spoon of baking powder and add a little bit of salt as per your taste, and add 1 cup of besan powder. Mix those all ingredients properly. Mix 1 cup of water to it. Remember, the batter should be so thick. This is how you have to mix. Now cut the bread into small pieces. You can also cut whatever shape you want. Now take the kadai, pour the oil as required. Heat it for 5 minutes. Dip the bread pieces into the batter and let's make a fry. Fry until it becomes a golden brown color. See, this is how it looks. Now take it out and keep them aside. Now add the remaining pieces to it and make it fry. And finally, tasty bread pakora is ready, and the perfect combination for it is masala tea. Enjoy this snack in the evening with your friends and family. Hope you guys like this recipe and make it try. See you again soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.